Eric with Radiator Grille Store here doing another install on our Z06. We're going to be doing United Restyling interior trim kit in Amplify Orange, and we're going to make this car look super custom. So we've got all the kits in the store, and we're able to either put them all together in one kit for you, or we can piece together different kits of whatever you like, and it's going to make this car look great. It can make your car look great too, so come on with us. And here we go with our kits all laid out here. We have our waterfall kit. That is going to be a waterfall for in between your driver and passenger seats. The top piece there that you see unbagged is going to be for your coupe. The hardtop convertible has the smaller piece there. We also have the strike plate here. This is for your rear hatch. We have the upper dash kit. This is going to be for the trim around your steering wheel and the speedometer dash, electronic dash area. This is going to be your lower trim kit. This is going to be the lower dash trim kit. This is going to be your drive mode selector, your drive modes, and the lower silver stripe that goes across the dash with your starter ring there too. Then we have our door trim kit. This is showing an extra piece there. This is going to show the middle one is the door trim for hardtop convertible. Gives you access to those hardtop convertible controls, and you can see that there. And then we have the controls kit. This rounds out our full kit. This is going to have your manual door openers. It's going to have your upper windshield area trim. It's going to have the vent trims and the corner trims on your window, and then all the seat controls as well. So these are our complete kits, of which you can put all of these together in our complete kit and save a little bit of money. It does not come with that strike plate there, but all the rest in here would be for your car, indicate coupe or hardtop convertible, and we can get those out to you. These are custom painted, so there is a little bit of a wait, but it's well worth it. Install is really simple. We're going to be looking at the back here. We have 3M VHB tape. We're going to be removing this tape here, the backing, the red backing here. We're going to be cleaning our surfaces where we're going to have that mating surface on all the areas here. We'll have this here too. And we're simply going to be peeling off the backing here. Get your fingers started under there. It's kind of tough to get some of these started, but just peel off the backing all around. And we're going to be placing on here after this alcohol dries. Do not put it on there when the alcohol is there. This is also pressure sensitive adhesive. Do it when your car is warm. I would recommend above 65 degrees, clean surfaces. And this is pressure sensitive as well. So you want to hold it to make sure and give it good pressure to get it to adhere into all the little nooks and crannies of the brushed aluminum surfaces here. Once you have it aligned, give it a push and hold. Make sure we get that VHB to activate. Push and hold all the contact points. Simple as that. And look at that. That is incredible, isn't it? We're not going to bore you with peeling off all the red backing tape, but we're going to give you a little before and we're going to give you the after. We're going to take the interior from looking like this, basically stock. We did that orange stitching. We also did the orange around the magnetic shifter paddles, of which we do have those in the store, and we soon to be having those in custom paint as well. But you can see the interior here looks great. Nothing wrong with it. But we're going to change all of that. We're going to make many of these silver pieces and some of these black pieces into Amplify Orange. Go from this to, here it is, the completed project. Take a look at that. Just look how visually impacting that is. And it only took us maybe 25 minutes, half hour at the most. And look at that waterfall. If nothing else, The waterfall really gives it that supercar look from the outside as well. And then we also have the plate, the strike plate there. Here it is from the outside. You can see where that waterfall just gives you that visual impact. You know, while you're sitting there at the car show, you could see that your car is unique. You can find these products and more at radiatorgrillestore.com.